Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about sprayer maintenance. So this winter when you have your sprayer in your shop and you're checking things over, probably one of the things that you want to check is your nozzle poppets for your nozzle control valves. So if you have some kind of a like aim command or Hawkeye or like the new Fendt OptiStop or OptiPulse system, you want to check those little poppets in there. That's what controls the on-off. The solenoid turns it on and off, but the poppet does the sealing. A lot of chemicals that have some grit to them, so a lot of the dry flowable chemicals that you have to dissolve have some abrasiveness to them, and they'll start to chew away at the rubber because you have that continuous that pulsing, and that's basically moving that poppet back and forth against the seat. It wears into the poppet face, and then they start to not seal properly, and then what happens is you'll have a bit of run-on in your spray cycle, and your rates start to go off slightly. So what you want to do is open those up randomly, have a look at maybe 8 or 10 of them across the width of your boom. See what they look like, compare them to a new one, and if they have any amount of wear, then you'll want to change them out. Typically, most companies say about 500 hours and then they're worn out. Not necessarily depending on what kind of products you use, but if you've got 500 hours on your sprayer, probably a good idea to open, a random selection of those up and have a look and see what you've got. If you have any questions, give us a call. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.